No precipitate, but a smell of ammonia. Ammonia won't give a precipitate, but it will give a smell. From the smell, we will know that the ion we have is ammonia. This shows the presence of an ammonium salt. Sodium hydroxide reacts with ammonium salts to produce ammonia gas. So sodium hydroxide will react with ammonium salts to produce ammonia gas. A gas has no color, only a smell. Ammonia is alkaline and turns the litmus paper blue. As mentioned before, ammonia is a base. It turns red litmus paper to blue litmus paper. The ionic equation is ammonium salt plus hydroxide reacts to give ammonia gas plus water. The full equation is ammonia chloride plus sodium hydroxide reacts to give sodium chloride plus ammonia gas plus water. Ammonia gas gives a smell, indicating that ammonia gas is present. So ammonia is colorless since we obtained ammonia gas in the equation.